Hi, and welcome back to Replacements Limited. I'm going to let you in on a secret. I love champagne cocktails with all my heart and soul. I think they're so fun. I was actually setting up a Sunday bar for my daughter's party, and I had the most brilliant idea to set up a champagne bar in much the same way as you would set up just like ice cream sundaes. I've got lots of fun mixers, lots of great tricks to serve the most festive champagne party you've ever had. To start, I'm going to show you a really fun hack. Do you ever go to a party and they've got those beautiful sugar rims on all the glasses? Well, here's my trick to make it easy and you can prep a bunch of glasses at once. To start off, you need a blob of marshmallow cream, delicious. And then I use another small plate. I've got sanding sugar here, just decorating sugar for cakes and cookies. And I'm just going to make myself a nice little spread of that right there. So fun. You can do this with sprinkles too. And I'm just going to take my glass and just make sure that just that rim is coated in marshmallow, because the sugar finds that irresistible. And then I dip that in my sugar. Voila! Beautiful rimmed cocktail glass in lovely sugar. As I said, any color. You can use sprinkles, and it's so much fun. So a great way to use this beautiful rimmed glass, I like to just take a pretty maraschino cherry. You can even use a little bit of that syrup or some grenadine, and then just pour some lovely cold champagne right in there. Cheers. Other great options, just a little muddled strawberry. Champagne and strawberries love each other. So also a beautiful presentation. Or if you just want to do something simple, a simple citrus slice, maybe a little bit of juice. Also looks so lovely. This is great for a wedding. It's great for a shower. It's great for Valentine's Day or New Year's. And your guests will find it really fun creating their own mimosas, different flavors. They're just so pretty. Let me get those guys topped off. You'll also see I've included orange juice for a classic mimosa on this bar. I also like a cranberry juice blend. You can use unsweetened cranberry juice if you don't want it to be too sweet. Whoops, there she goes. So much fun. Any questions about a champagne party?
Julie, how much champagne do I need for a party?
One bottle of champagne should make about 8 cocktails. And the standard rule of thumb is that most guests, depending on the party, will drink 1 to 2 cocktails, maybe 2 to 3 on New Year's. So you can plan accordingly.
How long does it take to chill the champagne?
In a bucket of ice, it should take about 10 to 15 minutes. You can speed that up by adding some salty water to that ice bath. Be careful if you're using one of your silver or silver plate pieces. The salt will eat that up. So if you're going to try the salt hack, I would suggest using a separate container in the kitchen and then putting it in your beautiful silver piece. You can also chill several bottles in advance in the fridge and then bring them out on ice as you need them.
Is a good champagne expensive?
Good champagne doesn't have to be expensive. There are lots of delicious Prosecco's out there. Some of those are a little more affordable. There are lots of great domestic sparkling wines that are also delicious. I know it's hard, but the best thing I can recommend is to have a little taste testing party ahead of time.
Julie, can you talk about some of the servers that you've used today?
I would love to. Champagne loves sweet food, so I've included a 2-tiered server with some strawberries. You can use other fruits like grapes. I've got some petit fours and some little cakes down there and some chocolates. Tiered servers are lovely for parties because they give you levels in a small space, so you've got sort of twice the space as one server. I've also got a gorgeous edged glass server. This is a vintage piece by Cambridge. These crystal relishes make wonderful bar garnish containers. And it's a little piece of your family history sometimes, or you can buy one new. People love a vintage twist on it, on a fresh, clean, new bar.